Wesley with Bluemarine. We're on the water today with the Torqeedo Travel XP. We're going to take the time to show you some of the features, how it mounts, and show it in action on the water. Let's go. So this should have some good get up and go. Let's see how she handles. All right, we're back in the shop after testing out the Torqeedo Travel XP on the water. Now let's get into some motor specs and my opinions. First, let's talk performance. The completely redesigned Travel XP offers 1600 watts of output, which is roughly the equivalent of 5 horsepower. This battery also provides additional output power compared to the standard Travel model. This is a great option for larger tenders, small sailboats, and even things like pontoon boats. Next, let's talk about the things I liked. I really enjoyed using the Travel XP on the water. For how much power there is, it's still relatively lightweight and easy to manage, weighing in at just under 28 pounds. I love the way that the battery connections have been redesigned, mounting to the motor with no wired connections. And the easy to read color display is another improvement that really stands out. And you can also really feel the difference in the tiller control compared to the previous Travel generation. Now some other considerations about this motor. Now the extra power, it definitely does increase the weight of the motor and the battery, making it slightly less portable than other options. And while that extra power is really useful in some setups, it's probably overkill for certain small tenders and dinghies. Make sure that you're choosing a model that isn't over or undersized for your particular setup. That about covers our experience with the Travel XP. We hope that you found this demo useful. If you have any more questions about this motor or any of the other motors that we sell, don't hesitate to reach out. We'd love to talk to you.